Alright, hello everyone. Hello, hello. It is I, Mitchell, from the Stormrush Studios, making Project Life RPG, and today we're going to be working on getting all the roads all sorted out. Right now I have um, just made all the buildings bigger by default. I need to fix a couple things because I made some changes to buildings that I had. That's all. Figure it out. But yeah, we have to make a couple changes, but that's okay. We're gonna be focusing on the roads today, so we're gonna take this road and just follow it through, and we're gonna make some adjustments here and there. Make sure that's good to go. How's everyone doing today? No, I'm doing fantastic. Like I said, this is gonna be some general adjustments. Nothing too serious. Go. We're just gonna get the sidewalk out of the road today. That's yay. What's up, Mike? How you doing? Today we are just worrying about getting the sidewalks out of the street, so we don't have to worry about that. Just did that section street. We'll just do section next. We'll actually fix up the lines too. Might as well doing it. I'll be deleting some of our assets as well. Good start in my driver's license today. How about you? Oh, nice. I am I was doing some early development this morning. I resized the buildings to be proper size. Now they're much bigger. It's awesome. Oh, whoops, I forgot to hit. I don't want this to lock any. You doing your driver's license test? So that gonna go? Remember when I did that a lot of years ago? I'm old, man. Not the man. Good luck training up. Now, does your state do it so like it's a pass or fail thing, or is it like a point system? As my state, it used to be a point system, and I got 98. The only points I got deducted, he said, was due to parallel parking. And then like 2 years after I was finished with it, they switched over to the pass or fail. So I dodged a bullet, boy. Alright, so we're gonna, yeah, road's been tackled. We'll save that real quick. I know I got 98. I was like, hey, that's pretty good. I think an 85 was passing, I think that was part of the process. And here it depends on school. My school has about 2,000 questions on final exam, and you gotta have 90% of them. Oh, are you doing the written exam? Oh, jeez. Fuck that, man. I went to class. I actually failed the test first. Test is crap though. Does not prepare you at all about driving. Best way to drive is to drive. Lectures will not solve any of that. There was a lecture, not even kidding you, of what you should do at a stop sign. Okay, now I'm pretty sure everyone knows that a stop sign, hence the name, stop sign, you stop, right? So those, I feel like that class was wasted my time, you know. Saving map. I didn't save you. Did I save? I didn't save. Oh, is it an autosave probably? Yeah, we are driving around the track and later around the town too. Oh shit, you gotta pull the e-brake and go around the corners. When I took private because they only do the written test and then they have you do the like driving test without any hours. But like the state recommends like 10 hours of driving lessons that you have to pay for yourself. So I took 10 hours of driving lessons and basically for 10 hours this instructor guy, I drove his car around. It was a specialized car, but I drove his car around and I did his errands for him. Basically he just like, hey, can you take me to this store? Take me to this place. It was basically just, hey, can you do this? Why is this rotated? What? I don't understand. But yeah, I basically did this guy's like lawn, like hella boring. This and move the guy back a bit. Go watch this. There we go. Wait, I didn't do this. Huh? Alright, let's go and delete assets here. Want these assets. Delete the ones here. Boss rocks might be changed in the future, but right now are fine. Cool. They might be a little bit too big. Actually, I can save that. And we're just gonna go around and just change all this sidewalks. Okay? The sidewalks are gonna be more difficult, are the ones with stuff on them. Ugh. Alright, cool. So now we're getting to the part where we're gonna have to move stuff. Well, actually, over here we don't have to. Part's the tricky part here. What we can do is we can keep it right there. I don't know why I have it as a mess. Gonna say teach yourself one step at a time. That circle right there. That's too tight of a. Yeah, that's a pretty tight corner. I'm just gonna Control Z that until it's back to what it was before. Yeah, there you go. We're gonna move this. There we go. We'll move that right there for now. What we'll do here is we'll grab this guy and the assets that are also with it. Take those with us. There we go. Still tighter, but that's okay. Now, take these assets here. Up. So yeah, we're not going to be adding any. Actually, leading assets from until. grab this building as well and push them. Hey, Death Dog, how you doing? Welcome, welcome. We're just adjusting some roads here. Just normal stuff going on, really. Gonna delete this section here. And yeah, we're gonna then adjust this guy to not be in the road. Okay. This road's kind of janky. There we go. Less jank. Now, jank. Man, you missed. Also, your previous streams are muted in some places because the songs in the background. Yeah, that happens all the time with when I play my music. I just can't work in silence, so that's why you don't get in trouble for that. It just mutes them. It's not like a copyright strike on YouTube. Twitch is just like, oh, okay, we're just gonna mute this because they let us have SR and our own video and stuff. It's not good for if you want to make a montage out of it, but it's good for just normal playback. It's too bad it mutes my voice. Bad they can't have an option for audio channels. Like I can have 2 audio channels, one for my mic and one for my thing, which is technically what it happens right now. And in playback they should just mute that channel, but they mute everything. So kind of sucks if you want playback for content wise. But I don't know why I moved this back. Let's just actually, you know what we can do? Take this guy. There we go, relatively straight. Yeah, there we go. And fix up this area here. Grab everything on this section. I have to delete those benches. Second. I have to push this back just a tad. Oh yeah, very much so. Actually, you know what we can do? Push him back. We'll delete the benches, but keep everything else. And what we'll do is we'll adjust a micro fraction. Okay, cool. We got everything there. All right, let's just work on setting this stuff up. It's all 1.5. The problem with the curvy roads is that they're really just terrible to work with. But we'll find a solution. Right now we're just fixing the roads. A lot of the sidewalk work is gonna need some fixing, obviously. But for right now, our main priority is these roads. Roads are messed up. So get that off the road. There we go. Save there real quick. Damn, I missed the UI yesterday. What's up, Jack? How you doing? Yeah, you missed the UI, but we're probably posting Discord, or if One True joins us today, he can probably show it off again. I think he'll be happy to show it off. But right now he's working with the programming team today about some important milestone to hit today or tomorrow. So he's a very busy man today. I mean, we're all kind of busy today, but also, okay, let's delete this section. So you're wondering why we have like this random curb with like this blockade here. Like that was how I was originally blocking off the fourth way. But I then found a better way of just covering up with. God, this is terrible. Huh? Devastation. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna get this to be pretty much straight. There we go, we got that straight. What about this section? Nope, not at all. Getting it straight here. Almost. Working on engine at the moment. Yes, that is not me. That is One True. Hey, One True. Yeah, he's working on the engine right now, so he's a very busy man. But hopefully, if he has time, he can show us the UI. Jack probably tomorrow or some sort. Today's a busy day. I just didn't. All right, there we go. That's perfect. So first we're gonna grab this. We have enough space right there. A bit long. This is very long. Guess we have to fix this one too. Looking good. Sorry, kind of just lurking. Hey, listen, that's no worries, man. As long as you're here and hanging out, and if you want to, ask some questions when you're not so busy, then yeah. But yeah, I just appreciate you guys just hanging out here. Just a tad bit less. Nice movements. What we need here. What we'll do here is we'll take this time. Grab all of the sidewalks here. Alrighty. Rabies. Screaming internally. What we're gonna be doing, we're gonna grab two of those buildings. So there we go. So we're grabbing this. What we'll do, since we're pushing this back, grab this, grabbing this building here. Building. Grabbing A lot of things to grab here. Nope. Grab that building as well. I'm just here so I can say I was watching this road being made by devs when I finally get to play. Yeah, I was here when this when the dev decided to make the road so much bigger and cause so many more problems for himself. I was here. I was here when the dev decided to make his life living hell. If I perfectly did this the first time, it wouldn't be a... So guys, measure twice, cut once. Currently measuring once, cutting twice. Thankfully in game design, there's a little bit more leeway, but lots of repeated work going on. But it's gonna make the experience just so much better for the road system. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get everything selected. Deselect that and then push. Oh, didn't bring that wall with us. That's okay. And there we go. That's like right on the edge, but it's okay, actually. Perfect, guys. We'll delete this too. Make sure that we didn't put anything up. This guy. Perfect, guys. That was a big thing. Save that because that was a lot of work right there. Sometime. Alright. Going crazy. You know, what you can do, right, is Mike, is you can go to locations and be like, oh, I remember this location when the level designer went absolute mad status by trying to put this together. You can say, hey, I was here for that. We're gonna delete these trees here. What we're gonna have to do, guys, we're gonna have to select all of this here. Okay. Then select all the assets here. See how that's not consistent setup. Bad. Over here. Find all the assets. Thing is actually, well, that's just right there. If I can get away with not pushing a lot of things. I have to push the whole bowling alley, which is fine because it's a blueprint, right? But Alright, I thought I could get away with not pushing that, but we had to push it. Hello all from Russia. Hey, what's up, Banny? How you doing? Welcome from Russia. How's everything in Russia doing? Got that going. Take this. Trees. We're gonna delete them. We're getting rid of assets. We're gonna get rid of the grass here. Don't need grass in the middle of the street. We're gonna get rid of these. Also, there's a bunch of plants there, isn't there? This is good though. We're getting rid of assets that are doubled, really, so that's good. Project on blueprints. No. Well, thank you, One True. No, One True just summed up pretty good. It's not achievable with blueprints. We have an entire department, mostly Z++. Some of the things are blueprints, just regarding buildings. From me on the level design perspective, but nothing regarding like heavy duty coding. That's all done with C++. Thanks to our wonderful coding department. I'm fine, and yeah, I'm doing fantastic. Nice day here in America. It's nice and sunny. I'm gonna go on my bike I almost said department. Bike ride after. That's gonna be nice. Yes. Plan for it. Okay, but I had to ask. No, it's a good question because some games can, like some games can do all just blueprint, but it is very inefficient. Like blueprints are fine, but for like a game like this, definitely need something a little bit more powerful. So that's why we use this. What is the name of the project? It's Project Life RPG. Project Life RPG. It's an RP game. Play as a civilian or a criminal, depending on your playstyle. Any jobs include, job keep. You can have your admin. You can drive cars, shoot guns, commit crimes, be a nice civilian. Live your life in solitude in the woods, San Barrow County, or live in the hustle bustle city where a bunch of people get shot. Hopefully not, actually. Also, that's just a descriptive version of what the game is. Thank you, Storm. I don't know why I called you Storm. You're One True. So used to reading people's usernames. Oh, we're down to 13,000 assets. So we're with this road push. We're also getting rid of assets because space is now a premium. So I guess we got one good thing that's come out of this deletion, this increase in roads. Maybe not. Also, we have a lot of Z fighting here, so I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna fix that. But it's not technically on the road, so I think I'm gonna skip it for now. But I'm just getting this stuff off the road because it really needs. How many people bought Deluxe Edition so far? I am not sure. I know that we already have one purchase. I don't know about if we have had any others. And One True would be best at answering those types of questions. Has direct contact with the website there. How many users on the map will play at the same time? I believe we're aiming for 100 people on per server per map. Get rid of all these grass stuff, and like I said, assets delete. So only 2 Deluxe supporters at this time. Oh, nice, 400, 100. Sorry, 100, 100. So only I was silly enough to buy deluxe. Um, no, it seems like there's two. Awesome. So it looks like you and one other silly person. Again, thank you. I do appreciate anyone, even getting the basic package shows support for the game, and I really like us at Stormware Studios. We really appreciate all that support, and as well as increased happiness for the people who buy the deluxe, because that just shows a lot of support and oh, I just want to select this blade of grass game. Thank you. Watch as the level designer yells at a computer screen. But who was the first? Me or the other guy? I think you were. Who was first? Not too sure. One tree would know that information. I think you were. I don't want to say that and then not have it be true. Please hold. Oh, I heard 400 things. Oh no, sorry, it's 100. Yeah, no, 400 would be ridiculous. No, it's 100. 100 players. My bad if I didn't pronunciate that. Sometimes I mumble when I do game development, so that's really bad for the streams. So if you guys really don't understand me, just call me out on it, because I want to make sure I get you guys the right information. I'm going to just save that because I just deleted a bunch of flowers off a road. I don't want to do that again. $100 in alpha or in general? It's gonna be per server. We're having a max amount of players in alpha to be 500. Well, 495 if you count all the pre-orders, or something around that number. But yeah, we had the 500 max. How long does it take to create a level? Oh boy. So like, it's all how long does it take to create a level? So I've been working on this project for 5 months now, and we have this major city done. And obviously we have other environmental artists working on the other parts of the city. So it's been taking quite some time, just because we're creating an elaborate city from scratch with its own design flaws, not flaws, design properties, and stuff like that. So welcome back, Deathtoad. Good to have you. So yeah, it's been taking a long time, but it's because we're creating a very intricate city from paper sketches to now. Wait. That's the road. Oh boy. Oh boy. A picture of what is at the moment, like, oh yeah. So I mean, I'll kind of show you the whole city here. We're kind of redesigning the roads, making them bigger, but as you can see here, you can see all the roads are disgusting mode right now, but okay, look out. Oh yeah, we're fixing that. We're just gonna delete this section. What we're gonna do for the parking lot bit, so we'll just hit delete on those guys, and there we go, the road has been fixed. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the bowling alley. Okay. What we need to do is we need to grab everything in the bowling alley as well as everything outside. So let's do outside first. How many kilometers? Oh boy, my brain is not working kilometers just because I'm a dirty American, but I believe One True has that number off the top of his head. Something like, I don't want to give a guesstimate. I'm probably wrong. I probably should know this type of stuff, but it's very large. Alpha is going to be a limited map, just for now, for testing purposes, and obviously release it a little bit later on. We would have said Alpha would give us 32 kilometers squared. Might be the whole game. Yeah, we're just grabbing all these assets from outside. We need to shift the bowling alley just a couple of meters. making adjustments. Okay. I don't think we have to bring over anything else. Now we gotta grab the assets and see here. I had to put so many assets on here. I also forgot about the cube. All materials map PBR, I believe so. Yeah, could be wrong. I might be wrong too, so that's why I'm waiting for the official word. Or we have the chalk as well too, so we can't forget the chalk. Yeah, we gotta move everything in here. Will there be any weapons in the game? Gun tuning will be. So yeah, there'll be weapons in the game. There'll be, you know, machine guns, submachine guns, stuff like that. Gun tuning? What do you mean by that? It was planned that the whole map will be 64 kilometers square, but it could have changed. Oh, okay. I know that it won't be a full 32, but yeah, now I remember it's 64 kilometers, or it's around there, and the alpha is going to be a limited section of that, just for testing. Oh, I had to select all those assets. So the problem is these are all separate assets. These bowling balls. I probably should have made them into a BP, but I didn't think I was gonna be moving. That's okay. We're gonna do this. It's fine. This is how detailed that I want this to be. He's asking if he can customize our weapons like in GTA 5. Not to my knowledge, definitely not in alpha, but a possibility. Let's say there's a basic M4, and it will be possible to bring up a sub mod tuning to M4. That's definitely something we would like to explore. I don't know if it's on the design board currently. One bowling pin at a time. One bowling pin at a time. Not GTA 5, escape from Tarvok. Oh yeah, I've heard about that game. How is that game? Finally, my internet is back on. What was the problem? Figure out the problem. Was this just an outage in your area? Was it something locally? Or like something like wire based? Gotta get the chairs in here. The bowling ball? Alright, there we go. Now what we'll do is we'll just slide into them DMs. There we go. Perfect. There we go, guys. Let's save that real quick. Yeah, in EFT, escape from Tavern. Okay. You can take off the dust cover from your gun and shoot it like that, no problem. Yeah, who needs a dust cover? You know, dust is good for guns. How long has the project been in development? I know that we've been actively developing it for about 5 months, but it's been on the concept board for a bit longer than that. That was yeah, it's been a while. Yeah, it's been so long. And many moons. Yas, internet. When is the alpha version planned? Right now we're having an in-studio test phase at the beginning of June, and hopefully a couple weeks after that we'll have it for you. But we're not releasing an official date just yet until we officially 100% know when we are going to go. Just because, you know, we don't want to be like, hey, it's coming out this day, and then be like, haha, it's not. We lied. Like, oh, that's sad. I always hate when companies do that stuff, but we're not. We're definitely gonna know when we release it, or we release any information to y'all. Bit tight, but that's good. I'm gonna bring this building with us. A bit too close to the side, if you ask me. Here we go. Perfect. Like a glove. Oh boy. IDK, to be honest, because I was told so many different things, and none seemed to go with the other. But needless to say, I got mad and must have really talked to the right person. They changed the time the service tech was supposed to come 3 times, and the last time she told me was Thursday. That's when I was like, no, this won't do, lady. As soon as I got off the phone with her, my net came back up. Like, seriously, it must have been just a local outage, like, because like I doubt they would just turn your internet off like that. Probably just a local outage if I don't know, because yeah, that's just weird. Sometimes it just be like that, you know. I have some issues with my internet sometimes too, but and like internet providers, it's illegal for them to throttle you, but sometimes they throttle you, and you just have to call them and just accuse them of throttling. It's so funny. Like, I was at an apartment complex with my friends back in the day, and we had internet, like, we used our internet so much that we got packets in the mail from our internet provider saying, oh, it looks like you use the internet of a small business, do you want to upgrade to our small business plan? Which we always found hilarious because we're just 4 college dudes in an apartment just playing games all day, basically, back in the day. So like we used so much internet, they thought we were a small business, and every once in a while our internet would just go to the crap. I mean, we had decent internet. It was actually on the high end, and some days, like a couple times a year, it would just go to the crap, like crap internet, like crappy upload, crappy download, and literally we would call them, and we knew what happened. Like, after the first time, we were like, huh, are they throttling us? And the second time, my friend Jeremy, he did a test. He's like, hey, because it took like 3 days for a technician to come out to like fix it, quote unquote. So the next time he called, he was like, hey, I believe that our internet is, you know, it's crappy right now. I think you guys are throttling us. And not even kidding you, that happened like 5 more times when we were there. And each time we called and we accused them of throttling us, our internet came back within 10 minutes of like what it was supposed to be. So just accuse your internet provider of throttling you, and they'll just send your speeds right back up. But yeah, they still throttle people, but it's at least in the Moscow until you yell, the operator will not do anything. I know it here. Sucks. It's gonna be like that. I'm still let the tech come and look at everything because my speeds and stuff suck at the moment. It definitely shouldn't be like it is now. Yeah, it might be a couple wiring that needs to be replaced and stuff. Alright guys, let's move on to the next area. Alright. Section not get applied. There we go. The problem is now we're gonna have to shrink this back. Stuff, that's okay. Oh, screams and sad. But that's okay. We'll just we'll keep going. One asset at a time, guys. Fix this. Right now my I almost said my my ADHD, which I don't have ADHD, but I just feel like right now if I had it I would hate myself because I hate how these words look. Yeah, my ACDC, yeah. Grab the oh. This just messed me up. Check Discord, Mitch? Yeah. Oh, hello. Well, hello, sir. Guess who doesn't look at his Discord? This guy.
What's up, guys?
Hey. We got a one true developer here.
Yeah. What's up, guys? How you guys doing?
That's nice and talkative today, so that's good.
I've got a feeling like when my microphone is really close, I really sound much better than when I'm a bit afar, obviously. But
yeah, I definitely I feel the quality right now.
The quality of the microphone,
like ASMR. You know? Yeah, would you agree? It's almost like ASMR. Categories.
Yeah, dude. This.
What do you say? What, did we lose him? Talking how good the microphone quality was, and we lost him.
Oh. Well, yeah. For those of you in the microphone, for those of you in the chat, what microphone?
You're breaking up super hard right now. I believe.
Yeah, what microphone do you guys think I'm using? Go ahead and take a guess.
I like to think you're using your default webcam for your
yeah, obviously.
Your laptop.
Put a pop filter on top of it. That's,
oh yeah, just like duct tape like a piece of fabric to it. Yeah.
You know, most people actually use a sock. Did you know that?
Yeah, no, I used a sock back in the day when I used to have the blue snowball. I put a sock on
got
it.
The blue Yeti.
Yeah, I have the Yeti too.
Yeah, that's a really good one.
I have a pop filter for mine. You can hear it.
Yep.
I have a boom mic for it too, so it hangs on like it hangs down from my ceiling. I feel like I'm in the studio.
Oof. Yeah, this entire networking thing. We just have to see like when we're gonna do this entire alpha thing, and even the entire really have to figure that out.
And you are super breaking up right now.
No.
Your internet is
No, my internet is perfect. Trust me, it is the Discord server I'm on most likely. Let me switch that 1 sec.
Okay.
Uh,
You'll drop down mini next to it. Okay, so we got that road. Fix this up. Take this building and throw them over. Oh, it's good.
oh
Alright,
shit!
buddy,
Yeah,
there.
that's now in Western Europe, so that makes more sense.
Okay.
Yeah, I was Central Europe for some reason, so I had to connect to Central and then go to you, basically.
That's always good.
Yeah. I'm probably gonna have to export all these streams with 1 click, and you're gonna probably see like an entire 12, 13, 15, like 13 videos uploaded all at once on YouTube.
Big old dump.
Good morning, YouTube algorithm.
Yeah, have fun with that there, YouTube.
Yeah, no. I'm gonna have fun uploading those 18 gigs, and we're gonna have to find a way to reduce it because, yeah, downloading 70 gigs. I'm not sure if anyone wants to do that. Or we just remove assets that we just generally don't use. You know what I mean?
Yeah, there's a couple asset packs that we do not use.
By the way, did you complete the interior of the bowling area?
Yes.
Can you show that off for a second?
Yeah, 1 second. Finish.
Yeah, sure.
Make this perfect. Alright, there we go. That's off. Alright, save it real quick and we're good to go.
Yeah.
There's a couple of small things I want to add to it, but it's really looking good. Also, how's the servers going?
I'm working on it right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in the mid section of it, so basically I'm still working on it right now. But it's going pretty good.
Okay, that's good. At least it's smooth.
So the errors he had, I don't have, so that's a good thing. Yeah. The thing is, all this here and there, it just delays the time for when we can do the video, delays development time. Not that it's a problem. I mean, we're not those to promise a date and not be able to deliver. That's something you guys should probably understand and always realize for any game we might ever do or publish, we never ever release a date without delivering it. That's just, I'd rather not push out a date than push out a date and push it back. So I'm pretty sure it's pretty explanatory. I mean, understandable. I mean, and you guys probably will appreciate it as well that you don't get played with and hype the game up for hype the game up for like maybe 1 week and all of a sudden you have to wait another week. You know what I mean?
Are there traffic lights in like GTA 5? We have the assets. I believe they're going to be working, right? One true.
Traffic lights in he means like the destruction of traffic lights.
Oh, okay, no, like, are they gonna work? Like,
don't ask me that for now. I have much more to take care of.
Can they be destroyed if I drive fast? Oh, they're static right now, so you'll slam right into.
Yeah. We've got much more to do right now, other than making making a traffic light, destructible. I mean, there's much more to do with this game than just destructible traffic lights.
Yeah. So right now they're just gonna be static.
I'm not trying to do that later. Okay, no worries, Stockente. Das ist kein Problem. That was German. Haha. No, but jokes aside, things aside, you can always expect things to be upgraded, improved, and added. Right now I am personally working on the networking of the game, making sure the entire multiplayer system is stable. Yeah. Oh, Faisal is here, dude.
Hey, Faisal, what's up?
Yo,
Probably
Faisal, you've
static.
got to really talk to Mitchell, because in the next, I would say 2 days, I'm gonna give it max 3 days at top. All the departments have to have everything combined, so you'll need to be there that the maps are done properly. All right, I've messaged you just so you know. For those of you who don't know, Faisal is the ex-lead environmental artist. He gave Mitchell the promotion, or I guess the benefit of ranking up, or going up. So he's he's a notch higher as well, but is a bit away at the moment. So yeah, but he's obviously still part of the team, and yeah. Next week got finals. Well, I guess just let him know. I mean, you guys can talk today, whenever. Give it an hour or two max, and just have him literally one-on-one be guided through it, so you can write everything down.
Yeah, because basically you told me that process, and I was like, oh, okay. Because like you said that you need the process, so I was like, oh, I'm just gonna ask him when I need to.
Yeah.
Probably be picking your brain probably tomorrow.
Yep, that'd be perfect. Because right now we're working on just so I can give you the update of understanding where we are. The multiplayer system networking aspect has to be completed. Dedicated servers. We didn't want to go the temporary route, so we thought, why not just directly make the dedicated server solution? It even gives everyone in the future the benefit of directly renting a server or hosting a server. Just like basically Arma 3, for example, having that exe. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'm going to send the custom engine over to someone else from the programming department, and they do their stuff. Yeah. Oops, and that's finished.
Awesome, thank you, Faisal. I remember you're like, that's gonna be
you guys just ASAP figure that out, document it as much as you can, because you will need that. I mean, if Faisal is away for a few days, that's fine, because I'll be away next week as well. So yeah.
Yeah, Faisal, if you think it's easier, if you wanna write that up for me, just to copy one for one, that's fine too. Whatever works easier for you, man.
Oh, yo, show him the government building.
Oh yeah,
he hasn't seen that in game. Yo, Faisal, you're gonna see something no other life game has ever done, and when we mean that, we actually mean it.
All right, let's show you real quick. City looking good. Been a while. Yeah, no, this city is fantastic. But yeah, this is the government building here that we have. Good old government. Saw that in Discord. But now you get to see it in the Steam.
Yeah, the difference between Discord and in-game is the lightning. The lightning makes it look basically like the final version, even though these textures generally aren't. Oh, let me I have to.
Yeah, the inside's not currently done, but
I have to reload my. Oh yeah, exactly. There you go. I was wondering why my stream didn't update. Yeah, these, just so you know, it is enterable from all aspects. So what the fuck? No, but this is a 3-story building. 4th would be direct access to roof, one-way access. It's all enterable. 3rd floor would be conference center. 1st floor, ground floor, a few offices like homeowners license, etc., etc. Yeah, so it's pretty much a lot of room, a lot of negotiation aspects you could do.
Mike,
pretty open to roleplay, pretty open and pretty realistic.
Mike, that was one hell of a comment there. Don't worry, guys, the party's arrived. Low ad block, always a pleasure to see you. I thought the mood shifted in this stream. I thought I felt the disturbance in the force.
Alright, I have to continue working here. Give me a second.
Yeah, no worries. I added the office, haven't I, before I got busy? The office? Like, for the government building, or like a building? Not too
the office? Wait, what office? Oh, I'm pretty sure he's referring to a custom building he did. I'm not sure if that's what you're referring to. The office assets. Oh,
Office assets.
pretty sure in those 16 gigs that we did. I'm not sure.
Probably somewhere.
Yeah. All right, I have to continue doing this. I'm probably gonna switch off and on. I'm just gonna mute my mic and then just come back whenever I can. All right.
Yeah, no, I'll be here. Just hang out. Hang out. Rapids. How's Chad doing? I could check if you want me to. Oh, is it just called Office Assets? Basil? I can just search it up in my browser after I move this block. TC TrueDiv. Yeah, it's office chairs, desks, Mac things, etc. TC. Okay. What's TC mean, Basil? I have an office desk. I only have a desk. Take care. Oh, right, makes sense. Definitely not what the line blocks are. What did you say? Chair. I have an office desk. I don't have a chair. That's an office chair. I have these chairs. SD cats. That's weird. In the water. Something's in there. Oh, that doesn't say cats at all. Just cows. Not reading English. Then I'll look into it tomorrow. Hopefully, I have the guy who we bought from to fix some issues. I will check my email and reply tomorrow. Awesome, cool. Yeah, like also for the merging the maps, how do you want to handle that? Just like a voice call, or do you want to just type up a doc or check an online tutorial I can follow or something like that? I'm not sure how you want me to handle that. It's easy. We'll message you tomorrow about it. Oh, okay, cool. Just yeah, I mean, I could probably just Google it, but I just wanna hear it from you because I know you had a set plan. I just wanted to not deviate from that plan, so I didn't want to complicate it, or even a meeting call tomorrow. Yeah, I mean, I'm down to do whatever, just so I can have that procedure down, just so I can do it for the test. Gonna move this building over. Gonna have to highway here. That's okay. go. Usually just all this. I made it. Something too small. Oh yeah, I didn't upgrade. And I'll upgrade both. What in tarnation? Upgrade any of these. Oh yeah, okay, I'm just gonna. Ah, what? Oh no, okay, I was gonna say, what? Stop. There we go. Sounds good. Have fun. Good luck. I'm off for now. Alright, have fun. Appreciate you coming through. What in hydration? What in? Where in tarnation? What? Yeah, I just. That over. We'll fix the block slip. This is stuffed. Okay, we got that going. One hot. Fix this. Parking? Like how I just put no parking. Why do I hate this? Terrible. Alright, there we go. Finish that. So now, like I said, I'll be going back to finish up the blocks as well. Alright, we'll save that out. They won't have any big plans for their Tuesday today. working on this section here. That in. All these streets are straight, which is actually we'll come over here quick. Section. Step by step. Actually, we're gonna pull this one. Rare occurrence. Pull this one in. Crazy. Crazy. Just a yellow. One has to go out. Oh crap! Yikes! Yeah. How far does this have to go back? Oh, basically that. See what happens here. Might be a big problem. Jesus. That's a lot of damage. Fuck these flowers. Oh no, don't save it. Why is the editor not telling me that it's auto-saving? Jerk. Engine's a jerk. Hopefully this. Oh good, it didn't get rid of my selection. Bad boy. Very smart. Whole block's the mess. I don't have to redesign this whole block.
Mitchell's right now quickly working. I mean, stretching his legs, I guess. Chilling for 5 minutes, and then he's gonna return back to development as well. If you guys do have any questions, just let me know. By the way, Happy Gamer, that material looks good. If you'd remake it, probably for building, I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
All right, guys, I'm back. Hello, hello.
What's up, man?
How are you?
Doing great. Just working on the stuff.
How's chat doing? Behaving
Pretty
yourself,
shit.
hopefully.
Just joking.
It's pretty shit.
No, they're pretty good. I mean, a lot of lurkers, but
That's what
we can change it.
Usually what happens.
Ah, thank God this shit is automated. Oh my God, that is saving my time really much. Oh my God, this is so good. Alrighty. I was already wondering why I had transferred dedicated server files myself. I was like, well, what is? But it turned out I had to rebuild the engine, and all of a sudden, it did itself. Yeehaw!
Yeah, brother.
Oh man, already. Because the thing is, these guys on UE4 sometimes are so outdated. You have to really think about it. So I'm talking to someone as well who's been hired with by Epic. I'm pretty sure as well. Just talking about the dedicated stuff as well. Because one of the next things we have to work on is the voice system, the VoIP, and we want to make sure that's crystal clear. Like, generally, this is a very interesting and needed answer. What top, like, if you have to describe how you describe a perfect VoIP system, how would you describe one? On the voice quality, on like what would you what factor would be the most important for you to deem a voice system perfect? The voice quality when it's transmitted, what is, just let me know what you think.
Da, da.
I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to make this, dude. Let's see.
All right, there we go. Beautiful. All right, this.
Voice quality is really important. It will kind of ruin immersion of the cop sounding like Kane. Oh, like Bane. Yeah. No, that's okay. No, that's really true. Yeah. Because voice quality, that's an important factor. I'm pretty sure, as you can see from the voice quality.
As you get closer to your microphone.
Yeah.
No, I remember back in the day, Xbox 360 voice chat and how bad that was.
Oof, I can't remember now.
Pretty bad. If
Exactly.
anyone has ever played Xbox, they'll remember the voice quality of that, and let me tell you,
It was amazing.
Well, I mean, back in the day it was good, but now
I'm gonna have to mute myself. I've got to continue.
All right, no worries. But like before, if you look at it now, it sounds like chicken scratch. Crazy. All right, there we go. We got that section done. Sound like 10 layers of foam transmitted through, like, made of pennies and toll and foil. Yeah, right. Back in the day, it was all right. It had that like sound quality. F, F. I have to find it. The Xbox that quality. It's gonna be nostalgia for everyone. All this is like actual videos of people like, oh, this is a microphone you should get. It's awesome. It's really good. I just want to hear the worst quality, guys. Stop trying to be nice, YouTube. Actually advocating and looking for the crap. Oh, yikes. This book. Any section that has you push them forward like this? Good section. F and chat, boy. Making this section already. Also, this is we need to push back the. Now we pushed it. And there we go. Gonna get this section. Bring this fence with me because I know that it's gonna dip into this fence area. Why is this road messed up? Hello? Oh. There we go. That's a tight fit and also. Oh man, this is a tight fit for this area. The whole area needs to be redesigned. Alright, we're gonna all that mess. A big oof. We gotta move. Well, first, this is not right. This is should be 1.5 here. So. There we go. Just getting rid of the additive actors here that we off the Let's say someone is chatting in a room and proxy voice. The people outside can't hear them. Voice needs to be blocked by walls. Or, I know that Arma does it. I know in Arma Life it's muffled. I guess it could be a radius thing, but we would trying to figure out how that would work code-wise. Now, like, the system could. I mean, the problem is that that's a lot of per tick activity happy, because like you have the voice, like code. Let's just call it code. The code associated with the voice has to actively be looking for walls to bounce off of. So, but it's definitely it helps with immersion. I agree with that, but I don't know, like, coding wise, if that would be the most. We would have to do it per tick. That gets expensive. Oh, I didn't do that. Just the building that just is. Thing needs to well. Bad. It can be muffled. Have the radius. Building's gone. In a skinnier building here. Right, this is a long block here. Eat it. Nah, I think it should be just more sound or muffled if someone is in the room, or if any in the room with closed doors. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, like muffled would probably work best in that situation. But yeah, it's definitely like a good immersion tool though, because yeah, you wouldn't be able to hear that. Those voices obviously very clear. I think Arma does a system like that, I believe, where it's a bit muffled. If I'm not mistaken. Could be wrong though. That's a mess over there. I'm not gonna look at it. Don't look at it. Don't look at me. Okay, so what we can do, actually, we bring this back here. Fine, so it won't really mess up with that. Actually, you know what we're gonna do? We're actually gonna take this guy. It'd be a lot easier. Oh, totally better. Totally better. What we'll do is we'll push these guys back here. I will push the guy here. I don't know why I have a light pole right there. Alright, well this made a bunch of I can have them talking to myself now at this point. Push him. A lot more, I guess. Okay. We just have to adjust because we're making problems as we go, but it'll fix the problem, which is fine. It's better to start from the source than start from the end of the source. So we just have to test this snap. So now we have to fix that. Okay. Gonna fix it. We're gonna have to move this guy. Boom. There we go. Gonna straighten that out now, it'll be good to go. Still here, but also playing with my dogs. How's the puppers? How are they doing today? Causing trouble? Stop, criminal scum. Violate the law. Oh, you. There we are. Alright, perfect. We fixed it. Yes, we did. Awesome. Alright, we're going to save that because we just fixed that problem. Oh, my candle. Crazy as always. Oh, the city is doing some... the city. Oh, the city is doing some digging outside, so that's been having them mad. Having them mad. You British. I thought you, for some reason I was like, wait, one of your dogs is named City? But then I was like, wait, there's an actual problem. Probably talking about the city. Alright, we gotta fix this area up as well, but making those changes, you know. That's fine, that road can be messed up. Perfect, actually. Oh no, dogs are Gypsy Ruger, but I know that. I was like, wait, do you have another dog named City? My dog is Micus or Mikey or Mickey for short. That's my nick. Oh, there you go. My dog's name is Edgar. Goofball. There we go. We'll sync that up. We were at a vet yesterday. It was pretty damn terrifying. Got 2 injections. My dog is the biggest pansy dog you've ever met in my life. When he gets to the vet, he acts like a totally different dog. He gets super, super aggressive. We have to freaking trank his ass. He'll growl at you, and he put a muzzle on him, but he hasn't tried to bite anyone, but he's had a muzzle on, so we don't want to find out. You know what I mean? So, but yeah, he's a totally different dog at the vet. I mean, he's rescued, so he has a lot of trauma in his past, so I feel bad for him, but also like, come on, dude, we're trying to help you, man. We have to like give him a bunch of medication to dope him up, even for cutting his nails. He's a big baby. Crazy. Where's the? Oh, sorry. Big baby. My dog. He's a lovable baby. Some of this gonna have to be worked. Okay, it's not like I'm planning it from the beginning. I just need to a lot of it. That section set. I had a bus stop sign over here. Instead of a bus stop. Okay, so here we go. We got all those sections. Minus that over. All right. I'm almost. That section is there, but we'll save as. All right, let's get tackle this. First, we'll go. Boop. We'll go. Yes. There we go. Good. All right, let's get that. Ooh. I'll delete that real quick. Actually, you probably would have needed that. Honest. But oh. Push this one back. Ready? So that section's all good. This one. I just got my. No, this one's already good. I got myself turned around. That road. All these assets. Gotta fix that in a second, Lodi.
Guessing that there's nothing more to say. It kills me, but I should be on my way.
Right there.
And the sunrise always
All right, let's get these crosswalks all set up.
but it won't bring you. No, it won't bring you. Trying to figure out where we went wrong. If only it was simple as a song. That could bring us back to where we used to be. When you were you and I was me. The way it used to be, when you used to be. You used to be my angel, but now your halo's on fire. A fallen angel, no longer mine. And we can't go back to where we used to be. No, we can't go back. We can't go back to where we used to be. But you were you and I was me.
There we go. Now we just gotta fix up this area over here, but we'll save that. If they already think we know, we did not. I already see it.
I think about another place.
We're making a lot of progress. A lot of tedious stuff today. We'll definitely be able to finish up tomorrow. And start just reconnecting all those blocks starting from the construction site. Slow and steady. Alright, let's fix this. Shove it up. Get this working. Yeah, guys, let me know if you have any questions. I'm just hanging out, finishing the rest of the stuff. Bunchu's working in the background on the servers. We're both hard at work today. And to get this, you guys, is awesome. Alright, there we go. So, sidewalks in. Sidewalks the crosswalks. Here we go. Will we be able to make our own dishes? What do you mean by dishes? Like plates you eat food off of? That's what. Alright. Like food plates? Now I'm hungry now. Okay. I'll start at the beginning. Gets messed up. Fix it from there. The first thing. Oh, perfect. I like it. Oh God. Hello. Oh jeez. Ah. Oh, I need to turn that down. Oh man, that's loud as shit. Hey guy. Death Dog, thank you for those 15 bits. Appreciate you throwing those biddies at me. Let me go turn down that down. That scared me. Give me a spook. Give me a good old spook. So we're gonna turn that down. How do I turn this down? I turn like moderator tools? Source? I mean food that requires ingredients and some time to make. I don't mean we buy chips or nuts from the store, but to make our own dinners and such. I know it's all gonna be. I don't think there's a cooking for right now. You know, need to figure out how do I turn this down? Does anyone know that? Oh boy. Oh boy. Thank you for those 10 bits. I appreciate it. Thank you again. I don't know how to turn this down. Because I'm crying. That's so loud in my ears. Is there no way to turn it down? Does anyone know anything about Twitch? Death Dog, you stream. How do I turn this down? This boy, oh boy, that hurt my ear. My eardrums are gone. Properties? I can change the width and the height and the FPS, but I cannot change the screaming sound that it comes at me with. Huh. Yeah, that gave me a good old spook. Oh man. Oh, and are gyms planned in stamina level? I know that we I know gyms are planned for recreation. I don't know if it has to tie in with stamina though. Oh, I don't think I can turn these down, so I'm just gonna have to live with the constant fear of...
Mitchell,
Oh, hello.
have you ever had to cook a project?
Yes.
Okay. Have you ever came across the error packaging results game target not found? Game target is required with -cook or -cook on the fly. Oh, one sec. What?
Oh, I've never had that before.
That's confusing me really right now.
Honestly.
That's the only error we have. Is like I'm packaging the thing and it doesn't want to, and I'm searching the hell out of everything, but nothing is. No one has that error. Like, what is this?
So the error is
non-existent.
Does
like,
game target not found? Game target is required with cook or cook on the fly, right?
Yeah.
I'm just searching.
Alrighty, let's see.
That to do with the client, right?
I doubt it is.
Oh,
I mean, I'm
okay,
not
never
sure.
mind, this is not the one.
Yeah, I know which one. I know what you're referring to. And this is where like some things start to piss me off personally. It's like nothing even is our fault, but it's rather like if we had the main programmer being Europe, well, we would be working on right now as he's in Australia. So
Yeah.
Nothing against him or anyone else. Generally, it's just, damn. Sometimes, man.
Sometimes time zones are one hell of a drug.
Yeah, dude. It's just, oh my god. Oh my god, dude.
I've never seen this before.
I'm even asking in UE4 Slackers to see if someone ever had that issue.
Dun, 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 dun. How long does it cook until it aborts? How long until it gives you the error on cooking time?
Not immediate. It's like maybe give it 25 seconds, maybe.
Oh, okay,
30
so it's
seconds.
relatively at the beginning.
Yeah.
So that corresponds to everyone else's problems. Like at least we fall into the task of it's a common problem.
I wouldn't even say so, because otherwise it would be everyone's issue with minus cook or minus cook on the fly. It's like when you go and you beside launch and you've got those launch options, it says enable cooking on the fly, and if I'm pressing on that and I go ahead and cook the project, it doesn't do anything, or it doesn't change anything. I even tried Windows 32 bits, but it still didn't do anything. That's confusing, and it's really confusing.
Let's try the build again. I think I heard the sound.
Yep.
Hate that sound.
Yeah.
The
it's
worst
just-
sound you. It's the if you're not a developer, guys in chat, that's the worst sound you'll ever hear in your life. Is
Yeah.
the
when it's failed.
I'm gonna pull up on YouTube so I can show you guys what the actual
What is there a meme for that?
the Unreal Engine failed cook sound. Because this is the sound of the devil.
It's just shit, man. It's
It's
just
just
really annoying.
absolute. No, I don't think anyone is just taking the sound, but it's awful. It
Cook
sounds
content.
terrible. It's
It
terrible.
says cook content for Windows. Let's see, cooking content for Windows. Let's see if that works. Yeah. And not even
Guy's
that works.
building
man.
for Android, but same error. So
Game target. What the hell does it even mean with game target? Game target not found. What the
it's a solution, but it won't be plausible for us. We have to convert the C++ classes into blueprints.
Oh my god. I mean, damn.
There's a what? Type it in. See the documentation on it. Take your time to load there, Buccarino. Also, guys, we're about 15 minutes away from ending the stream, so if you have any more questions, throw them out there. Me and One True will hopefully answer. Okay, so a game target is a standalone game which requires cook data to run, so it cannot connect. So what's the error again?
Let me just put up here. Game target not found. Game target is required with minus cook or minus cook on the fly.
You set a directory to go to, right?
Huh?
You set a directory for the cooked files to go to, right? I'm assuming.
A directory in what sense?
Yeah, to like to send to the
When you package a project?
yeah, like where you send it.
Yeah. I've made a separate folder.
Here on my side here. Is you have enough space?
Mm, this is a hard drive, an external one.
Space do you have?
It's 5 terabytes. So
Oh
yeah. More than enough. Yeah, I've got 3 terabyte space. Nearly one is used, so yeah. Actually, let me go through the project settings. You never know.
Yeah, go to the project settings and go to packaging for me.
Mm.
And I want to test. I just want to see what your settings are.
One thing I can tell you, if you go to the list of maps to include in a package project, and I've got the entry map, an official map, and a transition map. Since this is the dedicated server.
It would throw up it would throw you that error if you had it. It has, I think you now inside the packaging, inside the project settings, do you have use pack file selected?
Nope. Yeah, I do.
Oh, okay. Project under build, it says if project has code or running or locally built editor.
Wait, where? Under project?
Yeah, under project it should say build, and
Okay.
then what does it say on the right of it?
If project has code or running a locally built,
Yeah, and then underneath it says development, right?
Yeah.
And it's under staging directory. You have all the directory.
I have the directory where to put the project basically too.
So under so staging directory has where you want to go.
Exactly.
Okay, cool. And then under prerequisites, you should include prerequisites installer is checked.
Prerequisites. Yeah.
Okay. Mike, will doors, hoods, and windows be bulletproof in Copcast, like in real life? Also, will civilians, so criminals too, have that option available? I don't believe so. I don't think we're doing anything special, to my knowledge, about the Copcast.
Oof. I mean, I'm not sure, dude. It's just we're doing alpha right now. There's, that's more of a beta question, to be honest.
Yeah, I mean, like, that's something we could add down the line. If no, or it's too early to say, then there's my suggestion. Yeah, I'll write that down.
Yeah.
Let me get the book out here. A good old knowledge book. Where is my knowledge? There it is.
Would it be bad if I pressed on a project setting as full rebuild, even though it would fully rebuild it, but
Under where?
it's under project full rebuild.
If enabled, a full rebuild will be enforced each time the project is being packaged. If disabled, only modified files will be built, which can improve iteration time. That's not that wouldn't affect this first time build.
Oh, sure.
That would just rebuild everything from the core. Oh, then we've got cook only maps, cook everything in the project content directory. I can't even touch that because it's probably something not to touch. Okay. I wrote it down, Mike. Thank you for that suggestion. In the book of knowledge. Officially slapped into it. I'm not sure. I've never seen this Arab.
I'm pretty sure no one has ever seen it.
Well, I mean, people have seen it. It's just no one really knows the answer to it. engine content. I need to look for something called iProject. Huh. Inside your editor, One True,
Yeah.
can you go to your content folder, like everything,
Yeah.
and then go to filters underneath add new,
Go to
and
filter
under brand add new in your content browser,
and then filter.
and and then filter C++ class.
Wait a second. Oh, okay. Wait. No. Filter. Where is the filter button? Oh, okay. Filter. Okay. Oh, yeah. I see. There it is. That is on the entire other thing. Oh, C++ class. You said.
Yeah, and then select that and see if you have any C++ classes in there.
No result.
We're missing something. We're missing a target.cs file.
Oh shit. And where's that generated?
Double check again. Should be automatically generated. These targets are declared through C# source files with a .target.s extension and are stored under your project's source directory. What's my source directory?
Oh, wait a second. Server target CS file. One sec. I'm going through a tutorial at the moment.
I suggest this because not just imagine you're at a car patrolling, stopping red lights, and someone just blasts you. Yeah, that would be rude. I'd say
Okay,
cop car
oh.
window should, yeah, no worries.
Check.
Cop car window should at least take 2 to 3 bullets before breaking at least. Yeah, I mean, we're hoping to minimize just the random acts of just walking up to a cop car and blasting them. Because, like, in normal life, I know most cop cars, the older ones, the windows are just normal. I don't know about the new ones, but they'll probably for beta, though, because the customization for it. But it does make sense just to, if we do have a problem of, like, people walking up to police cars and the people in the police cars feeling like they're very too vulnerable, then yeah, I would say that would be a good idea. Yeah, that's weird. We're just gonna save that though.
I'm back.
Oh,
No,
back.
we do have a target CS file, node file you're talking about, but in there, like, this is confusing me.
So yeah, I think the problem is with the target.cs file. I think something might be broken inside of it. That's my best guess. So guys, like I said, we're about ending the stream in about 3 minutes. If you have any more questions or suggestions, I have my handy dandy notebook with me, so I'll take them down. Yeah, that's a really good suggestion though, Mike. I've written a book of knowledge. It's looking pretty good. Minus some roads. that it needs to be fixed. But honestly, we only have blocks left, so looking really. Yeah, but today's been a good day. Tomorrow we're just gonna finish up the roads, and then Thursday we're probably gonna starting Wednesday as well. I don't see that taking all day tomorrow. We're gonna start fixing up the blocks. They're just minor details to be fixed. And then Friday I won't be around because I'm gonna be traveling, but hoping to be back on Monday to start it again. So yeah. Button again.
Hmm.
But yeah, guys, it's 2:45, so I'm gonna be heading out of here. Thank you guys for coming on in. I'll be live again 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. So from me and One Troop, thank you for coming through, and we'll
Yep,
talk to
see
you
you
guys
guys.
later. Peace.